What's up girlfriends, I am Poojananda and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here then do subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell below and also follow me on my Instagram. I will leave my Insta handle somewhere on the screen. So आपको टाइटल एंड थंबनेल देख के पता चल गया होगा कि मैं किस बारे में बात करने वाली हूँ आज, बट स्टिल फॉर योर इन्फो आई एम गोइंग टू शेयर my personal experience with this Garnier sheet mask. It's a vitamin C short fresh mix booster mask. Guys, 2-3 months पहले मैं डीमार्ट गई थी ऐसे रैंडम शॉपिंग के लिए and over there I saw this mask and this mask grabbed my attention because it has vitamin C in it, and almost in every video I said that I want to try whatever is there with vitamin C. I love to use vitamin C as I have oily combination acne prone skin. So vitamin C is really good for your acne prone and oily skin. So मैंने mask pick कर लिया and I tried it on a random lazy Sunday. After trying this mask, trust me girls, it gave me that instant glow. It really worked on my skin. I won't say it did an amazing results in one masking like one time, but it really eventually reduced my spots. इसके लिए मैंने ये मास्क 2-3 और मास्क ले लिए and I tried this mask like mask it every Sunday for almost a month and then it gave me a good result. And the best and fun part about this is actually not the best, the fun part about this is इसका packaging. It is quite different than the other sheet mask because इसका serum अलग आता है. I hope you can see. इसका serum अलग आता है and इसका sheet अलग आता है. So when you use it, you have to just break the seal from here. You have to open the seal. I'll show you in a bit how. And then you have to mix a sheet mask in this, soak in this, and then use it on your face. So ये मतलब आपके पास बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम है तो आप इसके साथ खेल सकते हो. मेरे पास नहीं होता है. I have too much of time only on Sundays. तो मैं ये सब काम only Sundays को. So the packaging says it is a brightening and energizing mask for your dull, tired and lifeless skin, and one bottle contains one mask of serum. One mask contains one bottle of serum. I got confused. Okay, so what I mean is the packaging says this mask contains one bottle of serum and I agree on it. It's quite a lot of serum. You can store this serum in a bottle and use it every night. That's what I do. इतना बच जाता है serum. And guys, I prefer and I suggest you that use vitamin C serums in night, as vitamin C makes your skin little sensitive, and when you use it in a day and you go out in the sun, it might damage your skin. So पहले ही use मत करो. It's my suggestion and this is what I prefer. It is priced at rupees 150 for 33 grams of product or serum, whatever you call. So this sheet mask gives you that instant boosted and glowing skin. Yes, it won't give you that glowing skin until and unless you don't use it on a constant basis. That's why मैंने ये mask at least once in a week for a month use किया and then it gave me that good results. Yes, and now let's be logical here. हम for example हम कोई भी mask या कोई भी cream कुछ भी ले लेते हैं, एक use में हमें कोई results पता नहीं चलते. Whatever it is, whether it is DIY, whether it is store bought, whether it is any treatments, anything, you have to be constant with it. And sheet mask के साथ भी कुछ वैसा ही है. You should use sheet mask at least once in a week for like about a month to see good result. Yes, I know sheet masks are meant to be like instant problem solvers. Yes, I agree. अगर आपका normal skin हो तो yes, it does that amazing job for your skin. But आपके face पे marks हो, oily हो, तो oiliness तो निकाल देगा वो, लेकिन आपके marks eventually जाएंगे. It won't go like कोई magic नहीं होता है. So you have to be constant for everything. Be patient. Results मिलेंगे. अगर नहीं मिले, breakout हो रहा है आपके skin को, तो you can anytime skip that product. ये मेरे skin पे amazingly work किया. It is very good for my skin. As I said, I have oily sensitive skin and my skin is very reactive. बहुत जल्दी react करता है. कुछ भी अगर product suit नहीं हुआ तो वो एक दो बाहर आ ही जाते हैं, स्पेशली ऑन माई जॉ एंड लाइक यहाँ पे चीक्स के यहाँ पे अब भी मार्क्स है, एंड मार्क्स कुछ भी करो नहीं जाते हैं। ट्रस्ट मी एंड आई थिंक यू कैन रिलेट टू मी ऑन दिस, नहीं जाते हैं। सो एटलीस्ट गिव दिस विटामिन सी शॉट अ शॉट, व्हाट आई मीन इज इसको यूज करके देखना, एंड नहीं सूट हुआ तो देन दैट्स अप टू यू। आई टॉक्ड अ लॉट इन दिस वीडियो ना, so now without wasting any time, let's see how to use this mask and the results. Let's go. Turn the leaf or sachet. There you'll see two parallel lines. I hope you can see it. Follow that line and fold the sachet inwards. Once you're done with it, push the serum up until the seal opens or breaks like this. When it breaks, push all the liquid towards the tissue. Make sure you mix all the serum in tissue really very well. Sorry, I forgot to mention you that मैं मेरे मास्क यूज करने से पहले एटलीस्ट हाफ एन आवर पहले उसको फ्रिज में रख देती हूँ. इफ आई हैव एक्ने और एनी इरिटेशन, इट calms it down and वो कूलिंग इफेक्ट देता है मेरे स्किन पे. Just make sure you don't deep freeze it. Wipe your face with tissue before applying your mask, or simply wash your face. It will clean your face before applying the mask. So I am really very sorry you all. मुझसे application का footage miss हो गया है. I don't know how, but sheet mask apply करना बहुत ही easy है. Like all the other mask, आप उसको एक बार apply कर दो and 15-20 minutes रख दो. This mask reduce spots if you use once in a week at least. It eventually brightens your skin, instantly gives you a glow, makes your skin look fresh and energized. So I wipe my face after this. I don't massage the remaining serum onto my skin. I used to do that before, but now I don't do that. I observed and I personally feel that it clogs your pores, also gives you an acne because you use same mask to get rid of all the dirt. और अगर आप same चीज use करोगे तो it will just go again into your skin. Maybe that's in my mind, but that's what I feel. That's why I wipe my face and then I use the remaining serum which is there in the sachet onto my skin and gently massage my skin with it. My skin is feeling boosted, hydrated and moisturized, and also it gave me an instant glow. I told you it will give me, and as I said, it's quite a lot of serum. तो अभी भी ये इतना बचा है, तो I'll store this in a glass jar or in a bottle and I'll use it every night. 3-4 दिन के लिए हो जाता है ये. 1 or 2 pumps for your face and neck and you are done. So I hope you like this video guys. Do give this mask a try and do let me know what you think about this mask and how it worked on you. If you like this video, give a big thumbs up. Be safe with your family. Pamper yourself. Do masking every week. I love you all. Bye.